Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Employment News for BTech Mechanical Engineers 28th June 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. Every Monday we will upload new employment opportunities for BTech Mechanical Engineers, and this week in this video we are included 6 government jobs, 7 private jobs and 1 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. Now let us start with government jobs. In government job, first one is Junior Manager Mechanical at Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India, DFCCIL. DFCCIL is a Schedule A public sector undertaking under the administrative control of Government of India, Ministry of Railways. DFCCIL is run by Government of India's Ministry of Railway to undertake planning, development and mobilization of financial resources and construction, maintenance and operation of the dedicated freight corridors DFC. The applicant should possess the essential qualification as on the closing date of application, that means 23rd July 2021. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Qualification is BE or BTech Mechanical Engineering with a 60% of mark. Age limit is 18 to 27. Age relaxation will be there as part of government rules. Mechanical engineers can apply for the post of Junior Manager Mechanical postcode 13 and Executive Mechanical postcode 25. Executive Mechanical is a diploma level post, but mechanical engineers also can apply for this post. Pay and allowances 50,000 to 1,60,000 plus industrial DA for Junior Manager and 30,000 to 1,20,000 plus industry DA for Executive Mechanical. Application fee for Junior Manager are 1,000 for general category and no fee for SC/ST categories, and for Executive are 900 for general category and no fee for SC/ST, PWBD or ex-serviceman categories. Selection procedure: there will be a computer-based test, objective multiple choice type having 120 questions. Those candidates qualifying in the CBT should go through document verification, interview and medical test for the final selection. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates are to register and fill the application on DFCCIL website as shown on screen on or before 23rd July 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Executive at ONGC Petro Additions Limited, OPAL. ONGC Petro Additions Limited is a multi-billion joint venture company, was incorporated in 2006. OPAL is promoted by Oil and Natural Gas, ONGC, and co-promoted by GAIL and GSPC. OPAL has set up a grassroots mega petrochemical complex at Dahej, Gujarat. The complex is equipped with world-class technology with any annual capacity of 2.0 million tons of wide portfolio of petrochemicals with HDP, LLDP, PP, benzene, butadiene, pyrolysis, gasoline, CBFC, etc. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Mechanical engineers can apply for the post of Executive Mechanical Maintenance and Executive Operations. Qualification is BE BTech Mechanical Engineering with a 60% of mark. Experience is 1 year. Pay and allowances are CTC 6 to 8.5 lakhs. Application fee is nil. Selection procedure: on the basis of personal interview after shortlisting on the basics of qualification and experience is a selection procedure. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates are to register and fill the application on website as shown on screen or through the website as shown on screen on or before 7 July 2021. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Office Assistant Multipurpose through IBPS, Institute of Banking Personnel's last date is 28th June 2021. Ground Duty Technical and Flying Branch at Indian Air Force last date is 30th June 2021. Technical Officer C Group A at Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, IGCAR's last date is 30th June 2021. Project Associate 1 at National Center for Earth Sciences Studies in CESS. Last date is 7th July 2021. I will provide last video link in my description. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is Engineer 1 at Textron India Private Limited, Bangalore. Textron International Corporation is an American industrial conglomerate and it is one of the world's best known multi-industry companies with its business organized within 5 segments: Bell, Textron Aviation, Textron Systems, Industrial and Finance. Textron India Private Limited is wholly owned subsidiary of Textron International Corporation. Textron India Private Limited is engaged in undertaking engineering, design and support services for Textron business units. In 2018, Textron employs over 37,000 people worldwide. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to a year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Position summary: Incumbent develops solution to routine technical problems of limited scope, limited use and or application of technical principle, theories and concepts are required to complete the task. Contract are primary within the immediate supervisor, project leaders and other professional in the section or group. Principal responsibilities: prepare 2D and 3D technical illustrations and parts lists utilizing engineering models, drawing, physical part, previously prepared manuals, electronic part listed and other information. Conduct self-check publication prior to peer reviews. Revises all previously described documents. Accomplishes all work using computer generated artwork and text. Assures that the tech pubs tracking sheet is kept accurate and up to date. Role is Engineer 1. Function area is engineering, design and support services. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. And if you need to know more about this opportunity, you can watch our new channel Engineering Jobs for You. In that channel, every day 10 am we will upload government jobs for engineers and every day 5 pm we will upload private jobs for engineers. I will provide that video link in my description also. Next is Design Engineer at Shraddha Motor Industries Limited, Chennai. Shraddha Motor is a market leader in the manufacturing of exhaust system, catalytic converter, independent suspension, seat frames, seat covers, soft top canopies and pressed parts, white good products. The latest techniques, design, equipment and modern manufacturing, which is a highly efficient, organized and structured India. We are making new growth in the area, adding excellence and technological expertise. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Primary responsibility: virtual product development with CAD tool, creation of 2D drawing and bill of material to support for successful development of system to meet exceed customer expectation. Required knowledge: good exposure of exhaust system, routing as per vehicle packaging, good exposure on CATIA V5 CAD tool, good exposure from second drawing creation and GD and T. Role is Mechanical Design Engineer. Industry type is automobile. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed advertisement and can apply online through the website as shown in screen. Next is Engineer Mechanical at GE Renewable Energy Hydro at Vadodara. GE Renewable Energy is a division of General Electric headquartered in Paris, France, focusing on production of energy from renewable sources. GE Renewable Energy was created in 2015. Its portfolio of products includes wind, hydroelectric and solar power generation solutions. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or early career professionals. Reference ID is R3580776. Essential responsibilities: plan and perform assigned tasks within the framework of areas schedules, budget, quality, and cost constraints while maintaining accuracy and thoroughness. Demonstrate ability to understand and apply engineering fundamentals in the business environment. Demonstrate analytical or problem solving through number orientation. Collaborate within manager in setting realistic and challenging operation goals. Contribute to their accomplishment, etc. Role is engineer mechanical. Function area is production manufacturing. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? The interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown in screen. Next is mechanical fresher at SK Designs and Structures Private Limited, Chennai. SA Structure is an end-to-end steel detailing services provider based on Vienna with a strong of 170 experienced detailers and the company to detail 50,000 tons per annum. We are adopting detailing bridges, stadiums, complex commercials and industrial structures, etc. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Salary of around 1,50,000 to 2 lakh per annum. Roles and responsibilities. Fresh engineers or engineers with experience up to 2 years in the construction, structural, steel, detailing, which academic track record of 75% and above throughput 10th, 12th and professional courses with high aptitude for learning and smart thinker. Role is mechanical engineer. Function area is engineering and construction. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is CATIA Design Engineer at Sign International Corporation, Bangalore. Sign is a global engineering and technology solution company. As a design, build and maintain partner for leading organizations worldwide, we take solutions ownership across the value chain to help clients focusing on their core innovative and stay ahead of the culture. Our 15,000 associates are located in more than 21 countries, supporting 12 industries including aerospace, rail transportation, power generation, telecommunication and medical technology. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 0 to 2 year. Job ID is JR023710. It's a fresher type job. Job description. Robust knowledge on CATIA V5, GD and T. Experience including instrumentation equipment and the function knowledge, mounting instructions, etc. for items like strain gauges, accelerometers, thermocouples, pressure sensor, etc. Manufacturing experience in metallic, non-metallic, sheet metal, electrical assembly and installations or fabrication practice knowledge. Role is CATIA Design Engineer. Industry type is engineering and design. Function area is manufacturing or engineering and R&D. Employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is engineer reliability at Valeo, Chennai. Valeo is a French global automotive supplier and it supplies a wide range of products to automakers and the aftermarket. The group employs 1,13,600 people in 33 countries worldwide. It has 186 production plants, 59 R&D centers and 15 distribution plants. Its strategy is focusing on innovation and development in high growth potential regions and emerging countries. In India, Valeo facility has emerged as the global hub, providing efficient support to various global customers in the areas of mechanical design, simulation, embedded softwares, development, vision systems, software and hardware, functional safety design, etc. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Mission: to create predictive reliability methods, tools and standards, perform product reliability predictions, create and maintain the correlation study database, define correlation study methodology. Responsibilities to create predictive reliability methods, tools and standards, perform product reliability predictions, create and maintain the correlation study database. Role is reliability engineer. Industry type is R&D. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is graduate engineering trainee tech support at Fronius International, Pune. Fronius International is an Austrian photovoltaic manufacturer based in Upper Austria. Fronius is active in the fields of welding technology, photovoltaic, battery charging technology, etc. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 2 years. Job ID is RUQ 1000701. Roles and responsibilities. Responsible for supporting the sales process with configuration for robotic systems, providing technical knowledge to customers and sales team, evaluate the customer needs and support them technically, right process and systems by making professional. Work as a team with internal and external customers and prospects, carry out installations, implementations to ensure customers' needs met successfully in a timely fashion. Role is graduate engineering trainee tech support perfect welding. Industry type is photovoltaic manufacturer. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprentice trainees at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Kanpur. HAL is an Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company, is governed under the management of Indian Ministry of Defense. The Transport Aircraft Division at Kanpur was established in 1960 and has core competence in manufacture or maintenance or modification and upgrade of light transport aircraft and retain aircraft for both domestic and international market. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Candidates who have passed in the year of 2018, 19, 2020 are only eligible to apply. Stipend offered are 4,984. Selection procedure. Applied and eligible candidates will call for an interview and they will shortlist according to the interview performance. Then shortlisted candidates should go through a police verification process. After police verification, medical tests will be carried out. How to apply? Industry eligible candidates must register themselves in the NATS portal of MHRD by using the link as shown on screen. Industry candidates can see the detailed advertisement and application form on the website as shown on screen on or before 30th June 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for the details of this job opportunity. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.